Today we are going to roast pork butt. This is bone-in pork butt, and this is the seasoning we are going to use. And the wood, this from orange tree. So we're going to use this wood to barbecue this pork butt. This pork butt is different from brisket. There's no fat to trim, so you can just put the seasoning on. Okay, this pork butt is well seasoned, and in order to increase flavor, we also put some Thai ginger leaves. Another trick was to mention is it's a good idea to wet these tree branches with water. It will generate more smoke. Smoking is going. It's already 2 hours. Probably can smoke a little bit more, and I added more seasoning there. We barbecued 3 hours 30 minutes. Looks really good. And now I'm going to transfer this to aluminum pan. And next step, I'm going to put this at the 250 in oven. This will put in oven for another hour and a half. Looks great. The temperature is 250.